Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Kids Python challenge. Okay, today's I think lesson 6. I'm very glad you are back here. So let's start the review of the last time. The last time was lesson 5. We learned more about conditional branch using if statements and to deal with multiple conditions such as A and B or A or B. Okay, I think you are now familiar with it. Okay, so homework: find the count and sum of numbers that are even or 3's multiple between 1 and 30. Okay, let's do it. And so open your EX1 notebook and connect. Okay, we'll go all the way down. If you want, you can take a look at the previous one. Maybe we can use it. So initialize both my count and my sum to 0 and 0. And we move the running variable I all through from 0 to 30. So range should be 31. Okay, if you write 31 here, it will stop at 30. Okay, and then, okay, the statement, the problem was even or 3's multiple. So just delete this. I is even or I is divisible by 0. Okay, so this is the condition. Now my count is up by 1. My sum is up by I is added to my sum. And just to make sure, let's check I to make sure that only when the condition is met, I is printed. And finally, the count is printed. And the sum is also printed at the end. So here, point is that 4 is at this level. If statement, let me move this, remove this line. So if is 1 indentation forward, and this block is 2 indentation. 8 spaces forward. And then print is back 2 indentations, so that it will be executed at the end of for loop. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so it prints all the numbers that are either even or multiple of 3, 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, fine. So, and the final, of course, if you want, you can, after checking, you can comment this out. So you can print only the answer, which is count is 21. Ooh, here, I should have space here. Count is 21, and sum is 315. Good. Are you okay? I'm sure you're okay with it. Okay, let's go to today's lesson. Today's an interesting one, rolling a dice. In the old days, of course, the singular form of dice is die, but here I use dice as a single form. Okay, fine. So roll a dice and print the result. So what's the point? Dice is something that gives the result randomly between 1 and 6. So here we're going to see a first, the new element, which is import. So, okay, let me show it. So here, okay, let's use this box. We use import random to use a new package random. Okay, then maybe we can put it, we can put the result R, shall we use it? V maybe, value is random dot rand int, because we want integer between 1 and 6. This time, this 6 is inclusive. Inclusive 1 and 6 is given, and then print v. Okay, so this will give rolling a dice, put the result into v, and printing v. Okay, so this will give 2. Of course, yeah, you might have different result from mine, or every time I play it, I get maybe possibly different results from 1 to 6. Okay, so good, fine. So that's how you can roll the dice. Roll a dice once. Roll 5 times. Easy. Stop the video and do it yourself. Roll 5 times and print each time. Okay, easy, right? So maybe you can just for range 5 colon, and then select this region and key type tab, so you can indent at once. Okay, let's play it. What's wrong? I forgot I here. Okay, for I in range 5. Or I don't, because I don't use I can use underscore I here. That's fine, either way. Okay, so again, the result can be different from mine, 42554. And if I do it next time, different result, 26553. Okay, fine. So write even if you get 2, 4, or 6. You know how to do it. Please do it. Stop the video and try it yourself and see the result. Okay, so maybe you can change it so that if the result is divisible by 2 colon, maybe you can write even. To see that, okay, let's do it this way. Okay, so it's anyway, print the result, and then if it is even, write even furthermore. This is one way. Okay, 3, no message, 5, no message, 5, 2, okay, message even, 1. This is somewhat ugly, right? So maybe instead I will write 3 here. So, and also, shall I write I here so that we can check that? So the first roll, even 2. Second roll, even 4. Third roll, even 2. But on fourth and fifth, maybe it was not even. Okay. Additionally, write odd if otherwise. So you know how to do it. Yeah, you will use else. Okay, so here, additionally, write else. Colon, print, I, odd, B. Okay, let's do it. Fine, this is more easier to understand. Okay, 0, odd 3, 1, odd 3, 2, even 4, 3, odd 1, 4, odd 3. Good, seems good. If you're not sure about it, please stop the video and check yourself by changing your code, okay? Write big if you get 4, 5, or 6. どうしようか. Well, how can we, maybe we can delete this and do it. So if we can compare with 4. This is a bit, yeah, if it is bigger than or equal to 4. So the one way is writing this way, okay? Again, write big. Let's use single quote this time. This will do, okay? Only one time, 3 times, okay? Or, of course, you can write this way too. It's the same as bigger than 3, okay? So, okay, so let's continue. Write big if you get 4, 5, or 6, fine, okay? This is what we want. This is the same. If you write v is bigger than 3, it gives the same result. Okay, let's go back, continue. So, yeah, of course, you can write likewise here, else print I small v. This will give a more complete set of answers, okay? 0 small 1, 1 big 1, 4, 2 big 5, 3 small 1, 4 big 6. You know, the first number is the roll times, and the second number is the get the result you get. Okay, fine. Okay, roll 5 times and calculate the sum. Maybe you know how to do it. Please do it. Okay, fine. So actually, we don't need these 4 lines. So we want to either delete or comment out. One way to comment out is using, say, double quote 3 times here and double quote 3 times here, or single quotes double 3 times. This will make the whole section as comment. Okay, so what we want is, again, prepare our calculation box, such as my sum equals 0. And after rolling, my sum plus equals v. Okay, just to make sure we print out the value. And lastly, okay, back one time and print my sum. Okay, let's run it. Okay, we get 6, 6, 4, 3, 2, and the sum is 21. Correct. I'm sure it is correct. Okay, second time, 4, 2, 2, 6, 6, sum is 20. Okay, you got it? I hope you check yourself whether this is correct. Okay, that's all for today. So, oh yeah, write big sum, sorry. One more, write big sum if the sum is bigger than 50. In this case, yeah, please do it yourself. Okay, so in this case, you will do the if statement at the end of all the iteration. So here, maybe, or before print, maybe before print. If my sum is bigger than 15 or bigger or sum is bigger than 15. Okay, then I don't need equal here. Bigger than 15, right? Big sum. Okay, and then print it each time. Okay, this is 2, 1, 6, 5, 6. Big sum 20. Next time, it was sum is 15. I don't need the result each time. Okay. So 15 is smaller than is not bigger than 15. So no big sum. Okay, like this. Of course, as you know. So maybe you can write this way. Or, yeah, that's fine. Good. Only when it is big sum. And sometimes it prints out nothing. It's always bigger. It's strange. Okay, it prints nothing because it's smaller. Okay, that's all for today. Let's check the homework. Homework, additionally write small sum if otherwise. Too easy, right? Okay, hope you come back to the next lesson. That's all for today. And thank you for listening. See you again.